Hey guys, this is Ishan and you're watching Data Science Devils. In this video, I'm going to talk about univariate analysis for categorical variables and at the same time implement it. So, categorical variables are those variables which have a limited set of values to choose from. For example, gender of a person. So, gender of a person can either be male, female, or the person may belong to the other category, or the branch of a person, whether he is doing commerce or he is in science or arts. So these are the examples of categorical variables. Now, how we will analyze them univariately, how we will do univariate analysis for categorical variables. So we'll implement these steps. So in the first step, we'll generate a table to display count for each category. So to implement it, I'm using Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook. Now I'm going to analyze the categorical variable named sex. Now in this Titanic dataset, there is no gender for the other category. There are only two genders present in the Titanic dataset, that is male and female. So what we'll do univariate analysis for categorical variable named sex. So the first step was to generate a table which will display count for each category. Now here my category is a gender, so I will display how many males were present in the Titanic and how many females were present in the Titanic. And if some person is not satisfied with the count, we'll also generate a table for him or her about the percentages. It will display the percentages. And in the next step, we'll plot these obtained results on a bar plot. You can use any other visualization graph of your choice, but I am satisfied with bar plot as it displays the distribution of either continuous or categorical variable in a presentable format. So let's code now. This was my previous code for these three videos. So I've created a separate playlist for data exploration. If you want to access it, I will copy its link in the description. So now let's jump to the coding part. So now our pandas object name was df and the column that we are going to analyze, its name is sex. So it's df, the column name dot. Now here we need the count for each gender. So we'll use value underscore count as function, and then you can either click run or you can press shift enter. I'm comfortable with shift enter. So 577 males are present and 314 females, not are, were present. Now I want to generate a table for percentage. So for that I'll simply copy this, paste it here. Now I will divide this thing by the total rows present for the column named this, and then I will multiply this by 100 to get the percentage. Okay, so 64% males were present and 35.24% females were present. Now, what was the second step? A second step was to plot the obtained results on a bar plot. So, I'll copy this, paste it here, then dot plot dot bar. Then you can either run or shift enter. I'll press shift enter. So my graph is generated and I can obtain the distribution for male and female. more visually using the bar plot rather than the table. Now we'll generate a bar plot, same for percentage. So first of all, I'll write type 1 parenthesis, and then I will copy this and I'll paste it inside the parenthesis and then plot.bar. Okay, so we have successfully plotted both the count and the percentage of male and female inside the Titanic. Now if you will see univariate analysis for categorical variables code and then this code and then this code, this may look very small, but now it is looking small as I have divided the data exploration playlist into a number of videos. But if you will try to implement this at one go, it would be difficult and confusing at the same time. So for beginners, I have created this playlist data exploration. I will copy its link in the description box. So you guys can start from the starting video if you haven't watched. So that's all for today. If you want more further videos related to data science and data analysis or anything related to Python, you can subscribe to this channel, and if you like my work, give this video and my other videos a like and comment your views about it, which video you like the most and which part of the video you like the most.